How to use same Snapchat account on 2 devices. Have you ever tried to log into Snapchat on a second phone, only to be immediately kicked out of the first one? Unlike many other social apps, Snapchat is built with a one device at a time policy for mobile security, which can be a real pain if you're a creator or just want to stay connected on your tablet and phone simultaneously. Today, I'm going to show you the official 2026 workaround that lets you access your account on 2 devices at once without getting logged out. While you cannot stay logged into the Snapchat mobile app on 2 different phones, the secret lies in Snapchat for Web. In 2026, the web version has been upgraded to support almost all mobile features, including chatting and viewing stories. To set this up, keep your primary phone logged into the app as usual. Then, on your second device, whether it's a laptop, a tablet, or even a second phone, open your browser and go to web.snapchat.com. Log in with your credentials and verify the login on your primary phone. This creates a dual session that allows you to send messages and check snaps on the web while your main phone stays fully active. Here is an expert pro tip. If you are an Android user and absolutely need 2 instances of the app on one phone for 2 different accounts, check your settings for a feature called Dual Messenger or App Twin. This creates a second independent version of the Snapchat app on your home screen, allowing you to run 2 separate accounts side by side without the constant logging in and out. Now you can stop the login tug of war between your devices. If this tip helped you stay connected, give this video a like and subscribe for more 2026 app hacks. Do you prefer using Snapchat on your phone, or are you starting to use the web version more often? Let me know in the comments.